Did you know that dogs are loyal? They aren't just pets, they're family. Most of the dogs waits by the door every day, excited for his owner's return. Before I continue, do you think this puppy is cute? If yes, then like and subscribe. If you love your dog, comment hearts below. To continue, he always knows when they're feeling down, sitting close, offering comfort with a soft nudge. Through thick and thin, rain or shine, they're by our side, never asking for anything but love. A dog's loyalty is unconditional. A reminder that true friendship doesn't need words, just a wagging tail and a heart full of love.